Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Before you pack for your next trip, you have to check out this packing cube for your suitcase that becomes a closet organizer. So I am a huge fan of anything that helps me to pack more efficiently and keeps things neat and orderly when I arrive at my destination. So I was really interested in this packing cube from Artos. But what's even better than the fact that it keeps things organized in my suitcase, once I arrive, I can simply lift it out of my suitcase and hang it. Hang it on the closet of wherever I am, hang it on a door. I can even hang it on the shower door of a bathroom that I might be staying in. If I'm on a cruise ship, if I'm in a hotel, if I'm sharing a room with someone else, there's so many situations where I need a little help keeping my things organized. This packing cube / closet organization system from Artos is the travel companion you're never going to want to leave home without. It has all these convenient little pockets. It expands if you have more things that you need to put in the bottom section, but it fits even in a smaller carry-on size suitcase. I am so impressed by how easy it was for me to use this for traveling, how well I was able to stay organized, and how I could hang it up anywhere, and I instantly have a little hanging closet that's going to keep everything where I need it to be without being piled on the floor or stuck inside my suitcase. So before you go away on your next trip and you're getting ready to pack, I highly recommend you try this packing cube / closet organization system from Artos. You're going to be amazed at how easy it is for you to pack everything that you need and keep it organized and handy. Plus, you can hang it wherever you need it, so you have space and organization that's totally portable. I love it, and that is my point of view.